In this video, we'll explore the steps to activate a Sky SIM card. Begin by visiting the official Sky website at sky.com. Once there, locate and click on the Mobile option found in the navigation bar. Select SIM activation from the submenu. Click the Link Sky ID button. Make sure to input your personal details, including your surname and postcode. For account verification, you will also need to provide your billing and credit card information. Click the Continue button to proceed. Enter the SIM number, ICCID, printed on the SIM card. Click Activate on your phone. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the network to come online. That's how to activate Sky SIM card.